Yes, there is a lot of noise about Elwelu. That Elwelu killed people at Kasese. Granted. But why do you spare the commander-in-chief who actually commanded the use of illegal weapons? When you look at the bodies of Kasese people, they were burnt. No gun, no bullets, no bomb, no tank can burn people. Meaning that the weapon used was illegal, was not supposed to be used by the Ugandan forces. Now, who bought that weapon? Who brought it into Uganda? Who used it? Those are questions to be answered by the Museveni himself, who has ruled us for 40 years. But he has used this magic of fooling you so that you put the blame on individuals who actually sometimes didn't have any control in that, but you put the blame on them, and then you leave him to go scot-free with his family. That's the problem with you, with Museveni. You who witnessed what was happening in 2016, Museveni called Mumbe and said, move out of your Lubiri. If you don't move out within these means, you will see what happens. Mumbe never moved out. He was arrested and taken out. After being taken out, people were burnt. Just burnt. No weapon did that. So the information available is so clear that the weapon was illegal. It was under command of Museveni, and the people who applied that weapon actually were not staff of the 4th Division, which Elwelu was commanding. They came from Kampala or from wherever, and they applied the weapon, and then all was done. So Elwelu can be charged, and I has been investigating people who have been calling on ICC to charge Elwelu before taking him to court martial. I mean to the local jurisdiction. Elwelu can be sued at magistrates courts at Kasese. None of you has done it. Even me, I have not done it because I don't have money to go to Kasese, but when I go there, I will try. But my point is, let us not lose focus on the dictator's criminalities. When people were burnt in Mukula train wagons, who is to blame? We are supposed to blame Museveni, who commanded that. But instead of keeping on pushing blame to people who are under command, and sometimes you may not even know what is happening. Don't forget, our fundraiser is normal ongoing, by 0701 881231 and 78763 086.